Here you have a white LT1680 hydro tractor. Runs really good. Going to engage the blades. Got to sit down on it here. You can hear it. Runs really good. This is a really nice white tractor. It's an LT1680 hydro, so it's got hydrostatic drive. I've replaced the belt. I've also replaced the oil and 2 spark plugs. It's in really good shape. It's got a full tank of gas. I did replace a battery on it this year, so it's got a February of 2018 on the battery, and this one rear tire back here in the back, I did replace that last year. I'm getting rid of this tractor due to buying a larger one, and I'm asking $500 for it.